In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get today's, yesterday's, or tomorrow's date in Power Automate Desktop. This process is straightforward and can be very useful for automating tasks or creating dynamic workflows. Let's dive right into it. First, let's start by getting today's date. Open Power Automate Desktop and drag in the action labeled Date Time followed by Get Current Date and Time. This action will allow us to retrieve the current date from your system. You'll need to configure a couple of options here. For Retrieve, make sure to select Current Date Only if you only want the date without the time. Next, choose your time zone preference. You can stick with the system time zone or select any time zone you prefer, depending on your requirements. Once you execute this action, it will set a variable, which you might see named as something like %current date time %. This variable now holds today's date. Now, let's move on to getting yesterday's or tomorrow's date. To get yesterday's date, use the action DateTime followed by Add to DateTime. Configure the action with the base date/time as %current date time %, which is the variable we just set for today's date. In the addition or subtraction field, enter while1. Set the time unit to days. This operation will output a new variable, let's call it %yesterday date %, which gives you the date for yesterday. For tomorrow's date, you'll use the exact same action, but this time, configure it to add +1 day to the base date. This then produces another variable, for instance, %tomorrow date %, giving you the date for tomorrow. At this point, you might want these dates in a specific format. So let's explore how to format the date as text, which is optional but quite handy in some scenarios. Use the action text followed by convert datetime to text. In the configuration, select the datetime variable you want to convert, be it %yesterday date %, tomorrow date %, or %current date time %. Set the format type to custom, and in the custom format string, enter something like DD, MMYI if that suits your needs. So, if today's date were the 18th of October 2025, the output would be 17/10/2025 for yesterday when formatted. Finally, your formatted or unformatted date variables can be utilized in various other actions within Power Automate Desktop, such as for file naming conventions, within an email body, or even for conditional logic branching in your automation process. If you've chosen to format the date as text, you'll be using these text variables in the subsequent steps. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to get today's, yesterday's, or tomorrow's date using Power Automate Desktop with the flexibility to format it just how you need it. This can greatly enhance your automation processes, making them more dynamic and responsive to date changes. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!